up, people, and welcome to another quarantine vlog from North Carolina. And today's vlog is gonna be about food. But what about food? Let us ask the chefs in the house.
But before that, before we show you anything, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notified every single time, like, share and comment.
And now I can tell you that it's not just gonna be just food, because these guys are gonna be
baking!
yes, so if you are looking for some amazing bread recipes, this is the vlog that you should be looking for.
Yep.
And Ashley and Tanya and Elliot, our youngest cook in the house, will be baking some breads today.
Yep.
So I guess you guys, and Nitish and I are still working.
Yep.
I'm just eating something real quick while I'm working, and then I will see you guys a little bit later while you enjoy your baking time with the chef.
Alright, let's head to the main chef and see what we are baking.
Making beer bread and
Apple fritter.
apple fritter bread and some homemade cookies.
Yeah, so this is the second time and since morning she forgot what we are baking. And look at this chef over here. Say hi. Hi. Say hi, everybody. And look at his chef outfit. He is in a diaper and an apron. Do you want to show everybody your apron? Yeah. Wow, look, so handsome.
What does it say?
I don't know.
Playing in the mud kitchen.
What happened, Marvel?
I see that.
All right, we have our pans ready over here.
Here you go.
Can I get up here? Whoop. And here comes the chef. Right here. So this is the beer batter bread. It's called Old Tavern beer bread. This is how it looks.
Okay.
So it comes with, I think, all the mixture. We just have to add beer to it.
Yep.
Yeah, so we just have to add beer to it and this bread is gonna be ready. I'm so excited. I've never tasted a beer batter bread, so I'm very excited.
Hold on, we got to put beer in it first.
Okay.
We just had to add beer to it, and it's in the oven for around how many? 35 minutes it says?
We need more.
35 minutes, yes. So let's put the timer. It's Alexa, right? Or Google? Google. Google! Hey Google! Set a timer for 35 minutes.
Alright, 35 minutes. And that's starting now.
Okay. So one bread is done, and we're gonna do another bread that is apple fritter bread. So let's see how we make that. Alright, so we are making our apple fritter bread from scratch. So we're putting up all the ingredients together, peeling the apple, chopping them. She's making the brown sugar and cinnamon mixture, and we're gonna be using our KitchenAid. Woo!
So after you fill that.
See, we have layer of the batter, then apples, cinnamon sugar, this one, and then again the batter, apples, and then the last is the final topping. We're gonna do the cinnamon sugar again, and this is going in the oven. Alright guys, the beer bread is done. Yeah, it's so good. Look at this. So we made 2 loaves. One is over here, the other is this one. I'm gonna take some for myself. Look at how soft it is. Woo. Let's taste it. It's slightly sweet. It's slightly sweet, which is, I don't know, I'm loving that thing. A slight sweetness in it. So good.
Look at that. That's the apple fritter bread right there. Babe. Babe. Babe, it's locked. Babe, you cannot open? You can't open?
Oh my god, I thought I was locked and not able to open it only.
See, the bread came out. Look at that.
Oh my god, look at that. Did you play London Bridge is falling down?
What are you making?
The glaze for it, for the topping.
There are three more people with their forks.
We all have a fork ready and the plate is over here. So I'm gonna do the taste testing of the bread. I love doing taste testing. Okay, look at this bite. It has apples and icing. My stomach is gonna pain. Oh my god. This is so good. Very good. It's melting in the mouth, literally. Oh my god.
I feel like this bread would be a best candidate to even add pecans in it. For a crunch, right? But the apple has such a good
All credit goes to ta-da!
And you.
No, I was just helping, but it was her like recipe and everything.
And now there's gonna be more baking. So just keep watching, people. One video, all the recipes.
Yep.
People off the clock, we both are almost, and Tanya is making chocolate chip cookies, and I think she is making with white and the dark chocolate. Let's go see. And I told you there's gonna be a lot of baking today. Both of them are going crazy sitting in the house. And apparently what happened was, what you missed, didn't come on this camera, is that our dogs got very bored of their owners sitting home all day. And then what happened? What's next? You guys saw what happened, and we were all going crazy in the house, and he is now finally enjoying the bread. Did you like it?
It's so good. Oh.
Yep, he's
Apple fritter.
Yep, he's having an apple fritter bread.
The flavor becomes more
And now these two are having a bonding time over the cookies.
How do you make this?
As if he's gonna make it.
That is from scratch that she made.
I want a recipe.
Well, here's the thing. So in this house, two types of bonding are happening. These two are bonding over making the stuff. We two are bonding over eating the stuff. So I think that's working very smoothly so far. Except we may stop fitting into these pants. But besides that, everything is going very good.
You forgot an important bond. Astro and Marvel.
Oh, and Astro and Marvel, of course, they are bonding.
Yeah, that's what I wanted. So I'm making my famous chewy chocolate chip.
Famous?
I'm making my famous chocolate chip cookie that I always make at home, and
Yeah, probably you guys have seen it in so many
yeah.
vlogs.
So it's basically the only difference I'm doing this time is I'm adding white chocolate because she likes white chocolate, and then we have dark chocolate, and that's basically it. I'm gonna place it here, bake it in the oven, and done. And Nitish, he only comes out of the room to eat something and then he goes back. Yeah, he's no help to us here.
None.
In his defense, he's working from home, not working for home. So
Alright guys, cookies are all done. Keep it over here. Now I look at them.
Oh, I love spinach.
okay guys, they love spinach. We just established that. And the cookies are ready, and I'm gonna have Ashley try the first cookie. So let's do the reality check. It's hot. Wow.
Best cookie hands down. So good.
How much that means to you?
Yep.
Coming from somebody, not me. Because I always tell her the best cookie I have ever tasted is the cookie that you made. Like, it has perfect saltiness, it has like the chewiness, the crisp from the outside.
So good.
Where's Nitish?
I made extra effort because I was making for her. So.
Well, she made a little bit of extra love in there.
Yes.
But anyways, cookies are very good.
It's nice and warm, that's why it's like tasting so good.
No doubt. So we are gonna sit and relax in the patio, and I think that's enough baking for the day.